Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today, I'm so excited to talk about these brushes. These are the Scott Barnes brushes. The moment I saw that video that he did with Tati, you know that video, everybody knows about that video. I went online and I got these brushes. These brushes are freaking amazing. They are so unique, so unique. I've used a lot of brushes like MAC brushes, Sigma, Morphe, you name it, But these brushes are like completely unique. They're very different. I haven't seen any brush quite like it. Let's start with the eye brushes. I didn't get the entire collection because it was like really expensive. I only picked out a few of the brushes that were like completely unique. The first brush that I want to talk about is this. This is the iFan 61. Just look at the brush. Just look at it. Just take a moment to look at the brush. Look at it. It's completely different. There's nothing like this brush in the market. This is so unique. You could just pick up an entire eyeshadow, like just one shade, just one swipe, and you're done. Or you could actually use this to blend out your crease or apply a particular eyeshadow and blend just into the crease. It works beautifully. You could also use this to contour your nose, highlight. This is like a multi-purpose. It's like a multifunctional brush. I actually don't like brushes that would just do one thing, but these brushes, you could actually use them for different purposes. You could apply your eyeshadow, you could actually do your contouring, especially your nose contouring. This brush is really good for nose contouring as well. I've actually tried it, and these are all synthetic brushes, all of it. Let's move on to the next one. This is the Eye Winger in 63. Look at that brush. Like, it's so unique. Have you ever seen a brush shaped the way this is shaped? It's stunning. This brush, I use this brush basically to wing out my eyeshadow. Like sometimes you want to do a wing with your eyeshadow. This is perfect for that. You could just go like this, or you could actually use this to blend out your eyeshadow. This is really good for cut crease, especially to blend out the eyeshadow over here, or to create that perfect wing with an eyeshadow. This brush is excellent. It just fits right in here, and it just goes right in here beautifully. This brush is a must-have. If you don't get any of the brushes, please do get this brush. It's absolutely amazing. This one's like my favorite. If you can't get any of the brushes, just get this one. This is the Flawless Face 65, brush number 65. It actually looks like a fan brush, but wait, look at that. Do you see this? This is amazing for contouring. Powder contour, cream contour, to blend out your contour. It just fits right in here, and you could just push the product up. All you need to do is just touch, and it applies and blends out the product, especially the powder, as well as I'm sure this works great with cream as well. I haven't tried with cream contouring yet, but I'm sure it will do just fine because it's like densely packed. It's not very tight. It's not very tightly packed, but it's like tightly packed enough, if you know what I mean. It just blends beautifully. The way this is designed and shaped, it just fits in here perfectly. You just need to do this. Just lightly push your contour up, and it just applies and blends it at the same time effortlessly. I mean, effortlessly, really. You have to give this a try. The last brush that I got is the Powder Sheer in number 66. Now this is a fan brush. It is very uniquely shaped. I mean, it's similar to the eye brush, if you know what I mean. It's like very unique. This is like very soft. It's like really thin. It's like really flimsy, but it's like quite fat. You may think this might not pick up product, but it does pick up most of the highlighter. I actually use this to highlight, to put on my blush. If you want to put on your highlight, you just go like this, and it just applies and blends out the highlighter beautifully. However, this brush will not work with highlighters that are like really tightly packed. It's not gonna work with that, but I tried this with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and it works beautifully. So, and the MAC highlighters and the powder the loose highlighters, it also works really well with the loose highlighters. But the densely packed highlighters like the Killawatt highlighters, like the Fenty highlighters, I don't think this brush would do really well on those highlighters, but other than that, it works really well with most of the highlighters, yeah. And when it comes to blush, you could use this for contouring as well, or bronzing, or applying your blush. I actually use this for blush and highlight, and contouring. You could do a little bit of contouring with this, or a little bit of bronzing with this as well. Like, it just glides, it just smooths all over your face, like, and it feels really nice. This is like really soft, like really soft and wonderful. So yeah, that's about it. And you could, by the way, you could purchase all these brushes directly from Scott Barnes, from his website directly, and they do deliver in UAE. So that's about it. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel down below. Until then, see you. Bye bye.